Hey, what's up? All right, so I got the exhaust out here. I don't know, is this part of it or is this trash? I don't know, maybe that goes underneath somewhere to protect heat shield or something. Not exactly sure where that goes, but someone could comment on that. That would help. I remember to plug that connector back into the exhaust. And then I just used a screwdriver and a hammer to loosen the flange there that locks that in. Alright, so that's the exhaust. To wiggle it out of there. It's got some water in it. I don't know how much, but I don't know if you can see in there, but I'll dump it out right here. Let's see if that's a lot. Trapped in there. Maybe it'll come out the side. Yeah. Got some water in there, so it's probably normal. Alright, so next I'm gonna take this boot off here. Try to get that drive shaft out. See if that's all loose and broken in there. Maybe water was getting in the jet ski through these little holes here. Probably get a number on the motor here now. Oh, jeez, just ruined it. Yeah, sticker had the number on it. All right, till next time.